Good morning, everybody. Today is Saturday, February 8th, my older sister's birthday. Hope she has a great day today. So today, I've got a few updates for you guys. I'm going to be working on a project that I've been wanting to do for a while, changing out the wheels on a mower that I inherited from a friend of mine. And I've got a couple other things I want to take care of. I'm not sure if I'll get to them today, but if I do, I'll take you along and show you what I'm up to. It's just that time of the year where we're just chomping at the bit, ready for spring, and we want it to get here. So the best we can do is just do some prep work and get ready and make sure that our equipment is in good shape and that our lawn is ready to get moving. Actually, one of the things I want to share with you guys, Nashville is literally schizophrenic. Today, as you can see, it is absolutely beautiful. Yesterday, we had about 1.5 inches of snow. And tomorrow, it's going to be in the 60s. So, if you don't like the weather in Nashville, just wait a couple minutes and it'll be exactly where you need it to be. So, hope you guys have a great day and follow along. We'll see what we can come up with today. So a little story about these two mowers here. So the one on the right is a Honda that I bought back in 2007 when I lived in Wenatchee, Washington. It was brand new, it worked great, still works great. I can probably start it right now with a single pull, but the gas tanks are empty, so I'm not gonna go through the trouble of pulling that. But the one on the left belonged to my neighbor down the street who decided to move into a condo in downtown Nashville and no longer needs a mower. So I really like this mower that he has. One of the things though, that if you notice really carefully here, if you look at the wheels, I'm not exactly sure what my buddy Larry was doing with these wheels, but he must have been doing burnouts or something because they are completely bald. I think he said that his is a 2012 model, and you can see like how worn out those tires are. And then mine, I bought in 2007, and they're still in pretty good shape. So they're a couple different sizes on the wheels, but today we're gonna go through this mower, the newer one, and we're gonna replace those tires in preparation for spring. And I'm also gonna do a little bit of cleanup on both of them. I was thinking about getting rid of my old one, but I actually really like it. And the other thing I like about mine, a couple of things that are different. So he's got the safety bar, so when you let go of the safety, it actually shuts off completely. Mine, the safety bar is just for the blade control. And you've got a lever right there on the side that actually helps engage the blade. So when you let go of the bar, it disengages the blade, but it keeps on running. And then I've also have a choke, which I like. This one over here does not have, it actually has a choke, but it's an auto choke. So a couple things that are different, you know, the mulching lever on this one is kind of a nice little feature, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep them both for a little while and see if I really like the one on the left. I'd almost prefer to restore the one on the right next summer or spring or whatever if I don't like the one on the left. But for now, I've got two Hondas, and they both start right up. They both run really good. I just need to decide which one I want to keep Obviously, it's nicer to have a newer mower, but if they both work, I'll probably end up getting rid of one at some point. But for now, we're just gonna keep them both and just gonna do a little tire replacement on the one on the left and get it ready for spring. Because if you all remember, I've got a pretty steep hill in the back, and I need to make sure I've got good traction back there so I'm not sliding around when I try to keep straight lines. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully it's pretty simple. Yeah, those look like they should be the right size. Oh, we got cool little gloves here. So, size medium. We'll see. So I let somebody borrow my bigger ratchet, so I'm stuck with this little crappy thing. Alright, so they did mention that there was this dust cover thing. And as you can see, there's a bunch of crap in here. So we are going to do a little cleanup here. So something to pay attention to is FR, front. These are both front wheels. And then right there, RR, is rear wheel. So you need to make sure you get the right wheel in the right spot. Let us compare. They are correct as far as the way that the patterns are and the gears for the drive. And then there's two different washers that you need to watch out for. So you've got this one here that's kind of a wavy one, and then you've got the regular one. So the wavy goes on first, so it's gonna sit on here just like that, and then the other one will go on top of that. So make sure you've got that. We're gonna do a little bit better cleanup here on this. So again, you want to put the wavy piece on there first, and then you're going to put your flat washer on top of that, and then you're going to thread through this plastic into the housing right up above there, and the gears are actually going to line up. So it takes a little bit of coordination, but I think we can do it. So looks like the gear's engaged, so we should be in good shape there. That's it. That's all of it. Now what'll be really funny is if I'm doing a video sometime this summer of me mowing the lawn and a wheel falls off, then you know I really royally screwed it up. But remember this video, it'll be fun to watch. So now we're gonna work on the front wheel. I wish I had my bigger ratchet. This is all I got. Alright, this one, the wavy one is in the back. We're going to assume that that is correct, since that's the way it is. I guess we'll check it on the other side as well. Right. It's front wheel. Pretty straightforward. All the way through. That's it. That's the 2 wheels on that side. Flip it around, do the other 2. And if you notice, the washer is the same, wavy on the outside on this one. I'm not sure why the difference, but I'm not gonna argue with it. Yeah, I mean, look how worn these tires are. I wanna know what Larry was doing. Is he doing burnouts in his driveway with it? I mean, how's that even possible?
My concert with Jesse.
You know I'm taping it right now, right? It's okay, I'm gonna probably have all this to music anyway. Go ahead. Again, we got the washer on the inside on these. Again, I don't know why, but that's just the way they have it, so. Looks like it's engaged, and that's it. 4 tire change on a mower. So with that, that's pretty much all I have for you today. The next video, I'll probably be working a little bit in the lawn to start putting down dirt and topsoil to make sure that we're starting to move towards leveling. And also I've got a lot of weeds. With all the temperature changes that we've had lately, it's just caused a lot of growth in the yard. So we're gonna be taking care of that, continue to move on that. And then I've also got a video that I'm gonna be working on burying some of the bottom of my downspouts and moving them away from the house. So that's a video that I'll be working on as well. I'm just waiting for it to dry out. Between the snow that we had a couple days ago and all the rain and not having weekends where it's actually sunny and dry, I just have to wait until it dries out, or else I'm just gonna be playing in the mud. So with that, if you like what you saw today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions. And we'll see you on the next video. So have a great weekend.